Hi guys, I'm Rhonda and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am doing something that has been needing to be done for quite some time, and that is decluttering and organizing the kids' bathroom, which is also used by our guests. And to do this, I really did not want to spend a lot of money, so I cannot wait to show you some of the fantastic finds I found from Dollar Tree and the inexpensive shelf that I found from Target. If you're looking for some affordable organizing ideas for your bathroom, you have come to the right place. Let's go ahead and head to the bathroom and let me show you the unorganized mess we are working with. As you can see, there is absolutely no organization, so my kids just put things wherever. Because this is a kid's bathroom, there is not a whole lot in here, but there is enough to create a mess, but we are going to fix that today. Before I pull everything out to clean and declutter, let me show you what I found to help organize these areas. First up are these two black baskets. I plan to slide them under the shelves that I bought, and it will be assigned to each child to put miscellaneous things into. I was really wanting these in white, but they didn't have it, so we'll just work with the black. I also bought these white locker tubs. I got 4 of these, so I'm excited to use them. And then check out this white wire shelf. I bought 2 of these, and I think they will be perfect to go under the sink. I also bought 2 white wire baskets. Dollar Tree really has some beautiful wire baskets in various sizes, and I just love these. And then for the only drawer we have, I found some great drawer organizers. I bought 2 of these rectangle organizers, 1 for each child. I love that they have a rubber mat in them. And then I also bought 2 more organizers similar to these that are in a longer, narrower size. Both sizes have rubber backings to help grip the drawer underneath it to hopefully keep them from moving around. And then finally, I bought these 2 little wire baskets for them to quickly put miscellaneous things into. And then I also found these neat chalkboard tags that have clothespins attached to them, so I can label each of the baskets that will go under the sink. I bought 2 sets of labels for a total of 8, and you can find these labels in the arts and crafts section of the store. And then the very last item that I purchased was this plastic counter shelf from Target for $7. So in total, if I use everything that I purchased, I spent a little under $30. I went ahead and pulled everything out from the cabinets and the drawer and moved it all into the formal dining room so that I would have some space to go through everything. But before I begin decluttering and organizing, I need to wipe down the drawer and cabinets. As you can see, it's really not too dirty, so I'm just going to use Clorox wipes to clean everything.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries?
Now that everything is wiped down, I want to go through all this stuff and declutter what I can and then organize it. When I am organizing, and a tip I like to give is I like to create piles of things that are the same, and then those piles will each go into their own basket. We have 2 girls, so you're going to see lots of bows and barrettes and headbands, nail polish, and play makeup.
It's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. can't stop. Yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah.
I'm so excited that I found these chalkboard labels. I really love them, and I think I'm going to have to go buy some more for some other organization projects here at the house. But I am using a chalkboard marker that I already had on hand, but I do believe Dollar Tree sells them too. If not, I'm sure you can use chalk and it'll be fine. But now I am just going to label each of the baskets before I move everything back into the bathroom.
I can't stop. I can't stop. Can't stop.
I think these drawer bins are going to really help the girls stay organized and separate their things. They are only 10 and 8 years old and are already fighting for space in the bathroom. These bins are crazy cheap. I'm talking probably a third of the price than if you were to go to Target or Amazon. So you should really go and pick some of these up if you're organizing. These wire counter shelves ended up being a great buy too because they fit so well under the sink. I just put one on each side of the pipe, and then on the right side I used one of the white locker bins for all of their soaps and toiletries. And then on the left, I ended up reusing a metal basket I had from when Ruby was a baby. It originally had their hair bows in it, and we're just going to use it for the extra toilet paper. And then under each shelf, each of my girls has their very own black basket to use. They are each empty now, but I figured they could put their lotions or body sprays in it or whatever they want. It's really their own personal basket to use. For the other cabinet, I am using the Target shelf, and then on top I am putting the locker bins that hold the hair bows and other hair items like headbands and barrettes and scrunchies. Under that shelf, I am putting the round metal baskets that has their nail polishes, and then another basket that has their little flossers. This basket will probably be used for something else down the road, but for now, I just threw those in there. And then on the side of that shelf, I am putting one of the caboodles there, and then putting the other locker bin that has their play makeup on top. I was hoping that both caboodles would fit in this space, but it was a little bit tall. So I'll just have one of the girls put their caboodle in their own room for now. I am so excited with how this bathroom project looks, and I really love that I didn't spend a ton of money on bins and baskets and shelves. I only spent $30. As I mentioned earlier, if you go to Target or Amazon or the Container Store, you're going to spend so much more money. If you do have an organization project, I highly recommend just heading to Dollar Tree and seeing what they have and if they fit any of your needs. They really do have some great and affordable options. Anyway, I cannot wait to show the girls when they get home from school, and I really think that they are going to be able to keep this area a little more tidy and organized. I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please click that thumbs up button below, and while you're there, please subscribe to my channel for more cleaning and organizational videos. Until next time, bye.
Hi, I'm Ruby. And I'm Gemma. Thanks for watching.